Hello, my name is Nadine Martin. I am responsible for business development and communications at ISTOS. We develop software solutions for small and medium-sized manufacturing companies so that they can always keep their production plan up to date. This enables them to determine specific delivery dates, increase capacity utilization, and create transparency across the entire manufacturing process. Today, I am visiting our customer, Maschinenbau Ortmanns, based in Stolberg. The company uses our planning solution, production planning and control. And the company is a classic medium-sized contract manufacturer. Exactly the kind of company we develop our solution for. Frank Ortmanns, second-generation managing director, and his team are taking some time for us today to show us the solution in action. I'm looking forward to it.
My name is Frank Ortmanns. I'm running Maschinenbau Ortmanns GmbH in the second generation. The company was founded by my father in 1989, originally as a pure mechanical engineering company. But in recent years we have increasingly focused on manufacturing. We manufacture parts for customers in general mechanical engineering, but also in the automotive industry, as well as in hydraulics, industry and the food industry. That means we have a very wide range of parts. The challenge was originally to take the first step, which many are afraid of, especially when it comes to digitization. We in mechanical engineering are a bit conservative. When you think about these buzzwords, Industry 4.0 or digitization, you always think, oh, that's something for really big companies. But it's actually nonsense, because the bottom line is that even a small company can digitize perfectly. And I think even better. First of all, we can decide more quickly what we are going to do. Our processes are much leaner in principle. Our goal for digitization was to offer the customer a certain added value, but also to make the best possible use of our scarce resources. The solution had to cover the fact that planning takes place quite independently. And we have now achieved this. The functional scope of ISTOS is actually a very good fit. Because on the one hand, it naturally harmonizes nicely with our ERP system, because there's an excellent interface. And on the other hand, especially for the machine operators, it is simply very user-friendly. So the particular advantages now are that we can plan better, and thus we are also much more on schedule. For us, it was important that ISTOS really works together with our ERP provider, which of course gives us a completely digital flow of information.
My name is Martina Bomm. I am the Managing Director of VectorTax Software and I'm responsible for marketing and sales. VectorTax Software is an ERP software house. We have been on the market for 27 years and develop, implement, train and support our ERP system TaxMetall. Have further developed the software over the years and that is why production planning fits perfectly into our portfolio. In medium-sized companies, it is often the case that the companies have different business areas, like the company Maschinenbau Ortmanns. For example, machining, and on the other hand, there's also mechanical engineering to produce sub-assemblies. And TaxMetall can cover both business areas. The cooperation between VectorTax and ISTOS brings a high added value to our customers, because both companies have a high level of competence. That means, on the one hand, we have the ERP, and on the other hand, we have production planning. Both are standard systems that have been tried and tested. We have best practice processes, and both are in daily use at many companies. And through the standard interface, the continuous path is also guaranteed. What more do I want?
With the optimization we have achieved that our people can be used much more productively. Through digitization, through the optimization, through the interface, through the entire company.